Hello there, little explorer. Are you ready for a fun day on the farm? Look around. Meta. Can you see the animals waiting for us? Let's name them together. We have a duck, a chicken, a crow, and some sheep. Now let's take a closer look at the animals. First, the duck. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks are walking together. Now let's see the chickens. 1, 2. 2 chickens are pecking on the hay. Next, up on the roof, do you see it? It's a crow. Only one black crow. 4th animal excited again. Now look at the field. So many fluffy sheep. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little sheep are grazing happily. Great job, little explorer. You counted all the animals with me.
Let's count, we count ducks, chickens, a crow. We're on the farm today. 1, 2, 3. Come and sing with me. Let's clap, let's smile. Learning all the way. 1, 2, 3. We love to play. 3 little ducks go quack, 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 waddling in a row, never looking back. 1 is yellow, 2 are blue. They splash in the pond and play with you. 2 little chickens go cluck, 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 pecking at the hay. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Fluffy and fast they run around, making funny noises. What a sound! 1 black crow sits high on the roof. Call,
A little aloof.
watching the farm from up above, flying through the sky like a feathered glove. 5 white sheep say ba, 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 chewing on grass near and far. 1 is sleepy, 2 jump high, the others roll in the field nearby. Let's count, let's play on the farm today. 1, 2, 3, come and sing with me. Let's clap, let's smile, learning all the way. 1, 2, 3, we love to play. Ducks go quack and chickens cluck, crow goes caw, sheep say baa. We love to learn, we love to sing. On the farm we do everything. Let's count, let's play on the farm today. 1, 2, 3, come and sing with me. Thank you, friends, for singing along. See you next time with another song.